We are just now leaving Magic Kingdom. We had an awesome day. You can watch that vlog as well. I will add it here. But we are walking right over to the Contemporary Resort. We have dinner reservations at the Wave tonight. Contemporary is just a short walk away. It's super easy to get there from Magic Kingdom. You could always take a monorail if you wanted. I was actually team monorail. I wanted to take the monorail from Magic Kingdom, but everybody else wanted to walk. That's okay. What were you?
I was indifferent. I'll go with the
You were team monorail? You were team walk. And there's Bay Lake Tower and the Contemporary. We were just at Bay Lake the other night. We stayed for one night. Bye, thank you. I can add a link for that vlog too. We did a little room tour at Bay Lake. There's Space Mountain. Corey. We should have, half of us should have done monorail. Half of us should have walked.
See which was quicker.
And then we should have raced to see who won. I'd actually be quite curious.
That could have been the that could have
If we would have, if half would walk and half took the monorail, I'd be curious to see who would have gotten there first.
That might have been it.
Yes! Monorail Coral.
KK, you were right.
I know, I was team monorail. It's alright.
Unless I was indifferent. I just wanted to move in one direction.
We're getting exercise before we go eat this big meal.
Exactly. Oh, no. And all the snacks we had today.
Yeah, we did.
Pace. If we would have walked at normal speed, we may have gotten there first.
Hello. The Wave is located right in the lobby at the Contemporary. Tiff is gonna get us all checked in here. Are you hungry?
Starving.
And you already know what you're getting.
I do. I'm gonna go crab cakes, appetizer, tikka masala, dinner. I'm probably gonna get a drink too.
So you already scoped it out.
Scoped it out. Well, it depends on what the seasonal soup is too. We'll see.
Oh boy. The girls are watching cartoons while we wait for our table. That's kind of cool they have a TV in here, huh? So you can watch cartoons while you wait. There's the bar area. So we have a booth and a table right next to each other. So that worked out for our large party.
It did.
I just scanned the menu. I'm gonna take a look here. Entrees, tenderloin, chicken breast, ooh, gnocchi, fish, that tikka masala. Corey's interested in the crab cakes, maybe the soup. Everything looks really good. Oh, they've said that the bacon and eggs are highly recommended. Okay, crab cakes have arrived, and it looks like there's a, what is that, a corn?
It's like a slaw. Yeah,
corn
like
slaw.
a coleslaw sort of a deal.
And then Lainey and Aaron have the bacon and eggs over here with grits. That seriously looks amazing. Smells delicious. Grayson's already digging into the bread. I tried Corey's crab cake. I tried Lainey's bacon and eggs. And the bacon and eggs and grits is where it's at. If you come to the Wave, get that appetizer.
So I got the tikka masala. It's actually a veggie dish, but I asked to add chicken onto it.
So it really comes with the tofu, which is they still put the tofu
it's still
on
right there, and then the
you
cauliflower.
added the chicken. and it comes with the cauliflower, and wow, that looks really good. I got the
I think they took my fork.
I got the seared gnocchi, which is mushrooms, sweet potatoes, rainbow Swiss chard with a brown butter Parmesan cream. That looks incredible. And you got the fish of the day, right?
Yep.
Which is this salmon. Oh, look, it comes with a little pretty flower on it and some rice. And I think he got the steak and salmon over there. These two have birthdays coming up. Emery, your birthday's beginning of May, and Sophia's middle of April.
May. Look at May.
Yep. And you guys got cupcakes, and now your tongues are blue? Oh boy, that's so cool. You guys got cupcakes.
My tongue.
This isn't a picture, it's a video.
I know.
Sugar high over here. Whoa!
We did dinner with the kids. You guys get to have them after that.
Guess what? They aren't my kids.
Only 50% my children, so.
0% mine. Are they good?
She's going on and crazy.
We just finished up our dinner at the Wave. What'd you think?
It was really good. I enjoyed my tikka masala. The crab cakes are really good. Portion was a little small, but overall the food was great.
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah, what about you?
So my pasta was really delicious, super flavorful. It was just really rich.
Yep.
So it was kind of hard to eat like the whole thing. But I tried my sister's bacon and eggs with the grits. That was so good. We will definitely be coming back to the Wave, and we will get that.
Awesome.
We decided to take the monorail back. We're not going back to Magic Kingdom, but we're gonna just go back to the buses. So it might have been quicker to walk, but this is the scenic route, I guess. The girls decided they wanted to take the monorail.
Green. Orange.
What monorail color?
Green.
Orange, green, yellow.
Orange.
Coral.
Never mind.
Yellow.
I think I'm gonna go with black. It's yellow. Wait,
That's coral.
coral or yellow? I can't. My eyes. Kind of looks orange. Orange, peach, coral, yellow. We were all right. Unless you said green or black. Yeah, we'll find out when we get on and see what they say. The monorail has the partitions. Hello.
Oh, babe, it's peach.
It's
Monorail peach.
Where do you see that? Oh, monorail peach.
So yellow wins. So coral's kind of like that.
So technically we were all wrong.
No, this is the front.
Bye, contemporary.
All right. You can see the castle out there.
See Space Mountain too. Grayson, you like the monorail? Hi! We are back at the Riviera hanging out. We had a really good dinner at the Wave. We enjoyed it.
Yep.
And we actually had a super fun day at Magic Kingdom too. Everyone had a good time, all the kids and everything, and now we're tired. We're watching Happily Ever After on the TV because that's the best way to end a Magic Kingdom day.
Yep.
And if we can't get the real thing,
Got it on the TV.
we got it on the TV. At the new resorts, they have like a pre-recorded version. Turn it up, Corey.
Okay.
There in your eyes, it's just beginning, and your heart beats faster. Reach out and find your happily ever after. Oh my god, my singing. Well, Well, my singing is not that good, but I'm like kind of emotional watching this. I just miss it so much, but at least we can watch the pre-recorded version in our hotel room. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you guys have ever been to the Wave, and stick around for more trip vlogs coming soon. Subscribe and like. Good night, guys.